She did not come from a background of instant fame, yet something about her presence was always quietly commanding. With sharp intelligence, emotional control, and a screen confidence that never feels forced, Elçin Sangu built her career with intention rather than urgency, emerging as one of the most respected actresses of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 13, 1985, in Izmir, Turkey, Elçin Sangu grew up far from the fast pace of television stardom. Coming from a Circassian family, she was raised with strong cultural values and an emphasis on education. Her artistic path began not with acting, but with music. She studied opera at Mersin University, a background that shaped her vocal discipline, emotional awareness, and stage presence long before cameras entered her life. Rather than rushing into the entertainment industry, Elçin approached acting methodically. She received professional acting training and entered television through supporting roles that allowed her to grow without public pressure. Early appearances in projects such as Oil Burgazer's Zaman Ki and Ask K.C. Beeden Jire helped her understand storytelling, character psychology, and the technical demands of television acting. Her breakthrough came with the role of Defne Topal in the romantic comedy Kiralık Aşk. This series became a cultural phenomenon, resonating strongly with audiences both in Turkey and internationally. Elçin's performance stood out for its natural humor, emotional realism, and effortless chemistry, turning her into a household name while also earning critical acclaim and multiple awards. Instead of remaining within the comfort of romantic comedy, Elçin consciously redirected her career. She took on darker, more emotionally demanding roles in projects like Karpizma and later Kop Adam. These performances revealed a deeper psychological range and reinforced her reputation as an actress capable of carrying intense narratives without losing authenticity. By 2026, Elçin Sangu is widely regarded as a selective and dependable lead. Directors value her preparation and emotional intelligence, while audiences trust her ability to bring credibility to complex characters. Her career reflects patience, balance, and a clear understanding of longevity in a highly competitive industry. Off-screen, her lifestyle mirrors her professional philosophy. Elçin maintains a private, structured life, avoiding unnecessary exposure and focusing on mental clarity and personal growth. She is known for setting firm boundaries between her public image and private world, a choice that has strengthened her long-term appeal. Her fashion sense aligns with her personality, refined, confident, and understated. Whether attending international events or appearing in daily life, she favors clean lines and elegant simplicity, reinforcing an image built on authenticity rather than excess. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects years of consistent work across television, digital platforms, and selective brand collaborations. More importantly, she has earned industry respect through careful choices rather than constant visibility. What often surprises fans is her intellectual depth. Elçin approaches acting analytically, studying human behavior and emotional nuance to shape her performances. This thoughtful process quietly defines her work and separates her from short-lived trends. Elçin Sangu's journey is steady, controlled, and deeply intentional. From opera student to leading actress, from romantic roles to layered drama, her rise reflects discipline, restraint, and long-term vision. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of enduring success built on substance rather than speed. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a background of fame, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a quiet intensity, refined elegance, and an unmistakable emotional depth, Damla Sönmez did not rush into the spotlight. She earned her place through discipline, education, and carefully chosen roles that showcased her range. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on May 3, 1987, in Istanbul, Turkey, Damla Sönmez grew up surrounded by culture and education rather than celebrity influence. She studied at St. Joseph French High School before continuing her academic journey at Paris Sorbonne University and later graduating from Mimar Sinan Fine Arts University with a degree in theater. This strong artistic foundation shaped her analytical approach to acting and gave her a technical advantage early in her career. From the beginning, Damla approached performance with seriousness and preparation. She trained extensively in theater, voice, and stage presence, developing a style rooted in realism and emotional authenticity. Before becoming widely recognized on television, she built experience through smaller projects that allowed her to refine her craft away from overwhelming public pressure. Her breakthrough came with powerful performances in dramatic television series, where audiences began to recognize her ability to portray emotionally layered characters. Projects like Bur Ask Hikayesi highlighted her vulnerability and control, while her role as Efsun in the popular series Kiralık introduced her to a broader mainstream audience. In Kiralık, she delivered a performance filled with emotional tension and psychological nuance, proving her versatility in a high-intensity storyline. Rather than limiting herself to one type of character, Damla consistently sought diversity in her roles. In Aziz, she once again demonstrated strength and complexity, portraying a woman navigating emotional conflict and resilience. Each project marked a step forward, reflecting thoughtful selection rather than impulsive career moves. By 2026, Damla Sönmez is regarded as one of Turkey's most refined and intellectually grounded actresses. Directors appreciate her preparation and emotional intelligence, while audiences connect with the authenticity she brings to every role. Her career reflects consistency, patience, and a commitment to artistic credibility. Off-screen, her lifestyle mirrors her composed public image. She values privacy, cultural engagement, and continuous self-development. Fluent in multiple languages and deeply connected to theater and literature, she maintains a balanced routine that prioritizes both mental clarity and creative growth. Her fashion presence is understated yet sophisticated. Damla often chooses timeless silhouettes and minimalist elegance, favoring quality and refinement over loud trends. Whether attending film festivals or appearing at exclusive industry events, she carries herself with calm confidence and natural grace. Although her personal life occasionally becomes a topic of media discussion, she remains measured in what she shares publicly. She consistently shifts attention back to her work, reinforcing her reputation as an actress focused on craft rather than headlines. Within the industry, she is described as disciplined, thoughtful, and deeply invested in understanding the psychological layers of her characters. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects years of steady work in television, film, and selective brand collaborations. More importantly, she has built a reputation based on artistic substance and long-term credibility rather than temporary popularity. What distinguishes Damla Sönmez is her commitment to depth. She gravitates towards stories that explore human emotion, moral conflict, and personal transformation. This intentional approach shapes her performances and allows her to stand apart in a rapidly changing entertainment landscape. Damla Sönmez's journey is defined by refinement and evolution. From academically trained performer to respected leading actress, her path reflects intelligence, patience, and unwavering dedication to her craft. As she continues forward in 2026, she represents a modern form of Turkish stardom, sophisticated, deliberate, and enduring. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.